I'm just going to show you guys a quick video here on how to install wheel locks here. You can see I got some Emmanuel Designs ones just on this SQ5, 20 mil in the rear, 15 millimeter in the front. They do come with all these spacers, or all these bolts I mean, and they're bagged 20 mils, and these are the 15 mils. So it is nice that they're all bagged. These were like 150 bucks for the set on sale. So I'm going to show you how I get those installed here today. I do want to show you the tools I'm using. Just a few of these guys, and then this clip remover here for the wheel cap bolts. Should be somewhere in your car. You just pop it in here. Get these all off real quick. My car does have wheel locks, so I do have the wheel lock tool, which I did grab. The wheel lock tool, if you've never messed with your car, should be sitting in the back. Sits right in that clip there. So that's where you should find yours. For me, I like to just loosen everything a little bit. Definitely don't want to loosen it too much. So I just get everything just barely loose. Obviously you don't want to loosen it more than a quarter a turn until you have it all jacked up. So I have the jack pad on the pinch weld there. That's where you want to make sure you have that guy. Get this jacked up here. Just go until it's barely off the ground. Since you already loosened those, they should come off pretty easily. Right, just set that on there lightly. Grab my spacer, grab my 20 mil. I like to put them on the wheel first because they sit pretty loosely on the hub. Just pat that on there. All right, and then I get 2 bolts, just run them through there, get this guy back up on there. And then get those guys just snug there. I don't want to get too crazy with how tight I get those. Just lower this down, get that tire touching, and then the torque spec is about 135 newton meters. I'm doing these to about 140 newton meters. If you convert that, that should be right at like 100 foot-pounds. That's what the manual says. Double check all those in like a star pattern. And that's it. Just repeat that on all 4 and you should be all good. If you do have an air suspension car like this one, you want to make sure you put it in lift mode or wheel change mode before you start doing anything. Other than that, you should be all good. So thanks for watching.